Tips and tricks that I have found to work during COVID-19 and teaching in a classroom is one, just be prepared to expect the unexpected. If live sessions and recorded sessions and in-person sessions and virtual sessions don't work for you, then we have to then come up with a different plan for it and be flexible with it. Don't be afraid to try something new. And I've also found out that don't be afraid to tell the students, you know what, we're all learning this together. In reality, that's really what's going on, and we're doing the best that we can in any situation. I've also learned that you don't fight the arguments. There's so much emotion going on that it's really difficult to fight arguments with logic when so many people are so emotional in the situation. So just work out for the best. We really do all want the best for all of our students. Thank you.